Okay, so my plan is to whack off the pipe and then attach this to the bottom of that so that if I want to yank that out or if there's a problem with that, I don't have to drain the hole again and I'll have a flexi tube thing. However, this has 24 feet of pipe and I need like 4. So, does anybody know what happens if I cut this? Or if I try and attach this to the PVC pipe? Or can I just cram this inside the PVC pipe? I'm confused.
The cashier guy at Tyson's in Anamosa didn't know what a sump pump was. But he was really proud of me because it looked like I probably got everything on my husband's list that I needed because there were some pretty detailed parts I picked up. I just let him have his moment.
Okie dokie, folks. It's go time. So obviously the water went down a little bit. And we have the discharge pipe, which I did understand. To clarify for everybody, I do know how sump pumps work. At my first residence, we had the flex hose. I did not have a pedestal sump pump that had a PVC discharge pipe. So that's where my panic and confusion came in. So I now understand the nuances and operation of the situation. And step 3 will be attempt to put that water out that window. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm still freaking terrified that like there's a dead possum in there or like some like fish thing is gonna jump at me. Okay, so the theory is because the pipe is holding the old pump down, I'm going to use my saw. I'm going to cut the pipe. And then I'm going to be able to take the pump out. And then I'm going to do some more stuff. Well, there came water out the fucking pipe. So, fuck. So I cut there, and I'm gonna cut a little higher, just an inch or so, because the water obviously is like here. So, but don't tell my daddy I got the saw wet. Okay, I'm bleeding, and I dropped the screwdriver in the hole, and I'm going to play Girl Child $100 to go get it, because I won't do it.
Okay, shine your light on so I can see where it's at. Ew, what is that grody stuff in there? How deep does it even go?
I don't have any idea. I don't know. I have no idea what's down in there. There might be a dead possum in there. I'm kind of freaking out, and I'm not touching it. But I don't know.
It's gone. Look
No,
how
I
deep
need
that
the
is.
screwdriver.
I'm not down. That's
It's
too
the only
far.
screwdriver I have.
No.
It's the only screwdriver I have.
Do you see how deep that is?
I don't even know what is down there.
No, you see how deep that is?
No.
I'm not getting it.
Damn it.
Now, my mom is.
I found the bottom.
So did I. It's too far.
No, it's right there, but I can't.
I'm not reaching my hand in there to get a screwdriver.
I need the screwdriver because I have to do the clamps and I only have one screwdriver. It's really gross in there.
Told you.
There's the bottom.
That's way.
What is that stuff in there? I will stick my hand up a cow's butt and I will not stick my hand down here. I can't do it.
You said there's a possum in there.
No, I don't know. I'm freaking out. What is that? Oh, what is that? Oh. Oh, it's a piece of wood. Ew. Ah! Ah! Gross. Ew. Okay, my very dear friend Joy just totally showed me up because she's like, AI glove girlfriend. Never thought of an AI glove, but it's really grody and it's really gross. But I found a new screwdriver, so I'm fine. But also, on that note of cow things in plumbing worlds, these little screws are called clamps. When you call them blower clamps at the hardware store, they look at you really, really funny. Hence the reason the screwdriver was so important, because they don't have the thumb screw kind we use on the blowers at the hardware store in Tipton, Iowa. Y'all, this is gonna work. Watch. Watch. Oh my god, it worked. Okay, it's working just to empty the hole. This is not permanent, but watch. It's working! But look at the water is pouring out of the... Oh, Jesus. If a dead possum floats up, I freaking quit. Ew. So this part makes perfect sense to me. I have a cover, I have a motor, it's balancing on the cover, the tube is coming to the pipe, and I have a coupler, and it'll be perfect, except I have not yet finished actually assembling the sump pump. So the float part that actually makes the thing do the stuff and do this thing, like, that's not attached. So why is there not another hole over here to make this room for the float part to just go up and down and up and down? Like, I don't understand. So I think I'm going to go get a cinder block, because I'm very confused as to how to set the thing on the stuff and make the float go up and down. I'm confused. I need a beer. Well, my friends, I have a sewer pipe that is attached to a rubber coupler that is attached to a flex pipe that is attached to a check valve that is attached to a kitchen pipe that is attached to a sump pump that has a float that is attached to a switch that will work when it's plugged in. And I need to figure out how high to set that little rubber grommet. And I believe I will have a working sump pump. I also have 2 wet feet. It's going. Oh my God, it's going. Oh my God, it's going. Okay, wait. Oh, you son of a bitch. Okay, hold on. It's not leaking. Holy shit, it's not leaking. Okay.